how to create some great content for your audience that will also drive traffic to your sites and offers. If you're doing any kind of content marketing, then keep watching, especially if you are or want to be a coach and you want a fast way to produce high quality content for your blogs, social media, and or your YouTube channel. And especially for YouTube channels, there is a surprise, there is an idea that I want to tell you by the end of this video, so keep watching please. What's up friends, Amar here, and today I will show you a strategy that you can use to find, plan, and produce good content for your online assets like lead magnets, slide decks for webinars or videos, reports, checklists, graphics, and all kinds of great content that you can rebrand and leverage. This content strategy is based on PLR, content that can resolve a problem or answer a question. It has to be very attractive with powerful headlines, e-covers, and lots of graphics. It has to be easy to consume, and also it has to lead to a sale. The most important thing to consider for this content strategy to work properly is that we need to put the generated content in front of the right people, in front of the right audience. So it's very important to target a niche where you have some knowledge, and also you choose the best way to communicate the information with your following or with your audience. That's why you might need to do some keyword research before planning your content, and what you want to find is keywords with high search volume and low competition. And once you get a list of those keywords with high search volume and low competition, you can go to the next step. Now, once you know which niche to target and what are the topics and subjects you want to talk about and deliver to your online audience, you will have to make the content that you will grab in the websites I will show you in a second, make it easy to consume. You can use the slide decks, you can use blog posts, webinars, or YouTube channels. And if you need help rebranding that PLR content that you'll be downloading a little bit later, you can use this video here on my YouTube channel. And by the way, don't hesitate to subscribe for more videos like this. Now let me show you some of the websites I leverage for this PLR content strategy, and the most important one I use is called PLR Me, and it has tons of great content. So let's say for example that you are a coach or you want to be a coach, and then you go here to products. You can see that in the product types you have slide deck presentations. If you click on that, you will see all the slide deck presentations that they have here, and most of them they cost 10 credits. And by the way, to earn credits on this website, all you have to do is refer other people to this website, or you can just go ahead and purchase some credits and download any presentation that you like. I will give you just an example of the presentations. So this is one of the presentations I downloaded from this website. You can see that it has lots of slides. Let me go to the last one at the end, and it has like 91 slides. So you can use this for your webinars, and you can use it also to make videos and post them on YouTube. So PLR Me is actually a great website, and I use it a lot. The second website is ID PLR, and as you can see they have fresh content uploaded lately, and you can download all sorts of great PLR content that you can rebrand and use for your PLR content strategy. Now, before I tell you about the idea I got, and actually I need your opinion about it, let me just ask you to subscribe and like this video and comment. It will be very appreciated. And also, all the links mentioned in this video will be in the description below or the first comment. So the idea is Cash cow YouTube channels. This is really booming right now. Lots of people are creating and setting up YouTube channels, but they do not make the videos themselves. They leverage content that they get somehow and then like hire freelancers to make the videos for them and then post them on YouTube. So to check the water, I went ahead and created a video that is called Cash Cow channel. As you can see here on my channel, I invite you to go ahead and watch it. It will tell you all about Cash Cow YouTube channels. So I went ahead to Fiverr.com and I put Cash Cow YouTube, and then I found lots of sellers, providing this service. They create the video for you. If you already have the script, now you have an idea where to get the script from. If you have the script, it will be cheap, not very expensive. But if you don't have the script, they are ready to write the script for you and make the video for you, and then all you have to do is post it to YouTube. So I wanted actually to have your opinion about this subject, and you can do that on the comments below. Give me your opinion if it's a good idea or not. And since we saw that on PLR Me and the other PLR websites, there are lots of content, especially the slide deck or the PowerPoint presentation, that are a little bit near from the video presentations. Is it a good idea to go ahead and create a YouTube channel, a Cash Cow YouTube channel, leveraging that content? Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one.